Make money online selling digital products for affiliate marketing. Use AI to make faceless YouTube videos, online courses, blog posts, and ebooks in minutes. Use automated marketing to make $18,000 per month in passive income.
Welcome to your first step towards financial freedom. Like many people, I used to struggle with my finances. I was just scraping by, barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. Within the same week, my car broke down, my landlord raised my rent, and I got fired from my job. I was about to throw in the towel and move back in with my parents, till everything changed when I met a Buddhist monk. It was June 21st, 1991. On a whim, I attended a free meditation seminar at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. There, this aged monk said, "Spiritual liberation requires financial freedom." He said, in the East, this was done by giving up all of your money and becoming a monk. In the West, it should be achieved by making so much money that you are free of any worry and complication. Within 10 days, I had created my first passive revenue stream, making $3,000 a week. And from there, 6 months later, I was making over $100,000 a week to what I have for you today. And this is my method for creating passive revenue streams in just a few hours. Achieving this without a big investment, without risky schemes, I am sharing a simple method for creating turnkey passive income. And I'm bringing this to you because I want you to have financial freedom. My name is Ajahn Sambara, and I'm a Buddhist teacher. And don't worry, you didn't accidentally click the wrong video. I ran a multi-million-dollar company for 24 years, showing thousands of people how to make passive incomes by doing what I'm going to share with you today. This is all from my book that gives you a step-by-step action plan for success. So subscribe now and click on my course link in the description. I will give you a free copy of my book.
For 30 days, I ran a proven roundup video strategy for affiliate marketing, making $35,000. Here's an overview of my strategy. I began by selecting a focused niche tech gadgets and covered a range of products within this field. In my tutorials, I demonstrated not only the products but also addressed common issues and showcased advanced techniques. I also included comparative content like side-by-side comparisons and pros and cons analyses, which greatly aided in viewer decision-making and helped build trust. SEO optimization was a key part of my strategy. I used vidIQ to find relevant keywords and created engaging thumbnails and titles to enhance the visibility of my videos. To ensure my content was easily accessible, I strategically placed affiliate links within the video, its description, and a pinned comment. To extend my reach, I shared my content across social media platforms, embedded videos in blog posts, and sent out email newsletters. Here's a day-by-day breakdown of my actions and the hours spent. Day 1. Strategy planning and market research. Morning. 2 hours. I outlined my strategy for roundup videos, focusing on high-demand tech products. Afternoon. 3 hours. Conducted market research to identify trending tech gadgets that would appeal to a broad audience. Day 2. Affiliate program sign-up. Morning. 1 hour. Applied to affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and Best Buy for their vast range of tech products. Afternoon. 2 hours. Received confirmation of my acceptance into these affiliate programs. Day 3. Product selection. Day 4. Scriptwriting for first roundup video. Morning. 3 hours. Crafted a script that not only introduced each product but also highlighted its unique selling points and potential use cases. Day 5. Filming. Morning. 4 hours. Filmed the first roundup video, ensuring clarity and engaging delivery. Day 6. Editing and uploading. On day 3 of my focused affiliate marketing campaign, I embarked on the critical task of selecting specific products for my first roundup video. This step was all about finding the right blend of high-end tech items that would not only captivate my audience but also generate significant affiliate revenue. Morning session. Meticulous product selection, 2 hours. Razer Blade 18 laptop. The first product I chose was the Razer Blade 18 laptop, priced at $4,980. This laptop, boasting the pinnacle of desktop performance in a sleek laptop design, was an ideal choice. It featured NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics, the latest Intel 13th Gen Core i9HX processors, and a stunning QHD Plus 18 display. The combination of high-end specs and portability made it a perfect fit for my tech-savvy audience. Bose Smart Speaker 500. Next, I selected the Bose Smart Speaker 500, available for $379. This smart home device, known for its room-filling sound and sleek design, was chosen for its popularity in the growing market of smart home gadgets. It represented the seamless integration of technology and daily living. Sennheiser HD800S headphones. The final product was the Sennheiser HD800S over-the-ear audiophile reference headphones, priced at $1,499. These headphones, known for their exceptional sound quality and comfort, were a perfect addition for audiophiles and professional users in my audience. Strategizing content. As I selected each product, I envisioned how I would present them in my roundup video. The idea was to create an engaging story around each, highlighting how the Razer Blade 18 offers a desktop experience in a laptop form, the Bose speaker brings smart convenience into homes, and the Sennheiser headphones deliver an unmatched audio experience. Affiliate revenue calculation. I calculated the potential earnings from each product based on their price and the commission rates from my affiliate programs. This calculation was crucial in estimating the potential profitability of featuring these products. By the end of the morning, I had carefully chosen a high-end gaming laptop, a premium smart home speaker, and top-tier professional headphones for my roundup video. Each product was not only a leader in its category but also held significant potential for generating affiliate revenue, thereby aligning perfectly with my strategy of showcasing high-demand tech products. In the afternoon, I dedicated an hour to uploading my carefully crafted roundup video to YouTube. This step was as crucial as the filming itself, as it involved optimizing the video for maximum reach and visibility. SEO optimization using vidIQ. vidIQ is the best YouTube SEO tool. The video SEO optimization tool helps a lot in title, tag, and description enhancements, and for me meant the difference between making videos that got a few hundred views to making videos that got over 1 million views. Click my vidIQ affiliate link in the description below to check it out. Drawing on the powerful capabilities of vidIQ, I focused on enhancing the video's title, tags, and description. vidIQ's insights have been a game changer in my content strategy, shifting my videos from a few hundred views to over 1 million views. Its effectiveness in optimizing content for YouTube's search algorithm has been pivotal in the success of my videos. Crafting the title. I created an SEO-friendly title that was both engaging and informative, incorporating relevant keywords without sacrificing creativity. The title was designed to capture the essence of the video while also being search engine friendly. Perfecting the description. The video description was meticulously written to include not only an overview of the video's content but also affiliate links for the featured products. I made sure to weave in keywords naturally, enhancing SEO without compromising readability. Utilizing tags wisely. With vidIQ's guidance, I selected tags that were relevant to the video's content and highly searched within my niche. These tags were critical in ensuring that my video reached my target audience. Promoting vidIQ. Recognizing the impact of vidIQ on my YouTube journey, I included a call to action in my video description, encouraging viewers to use my vidIQ affiliate link. I shared my personal experience with the tool, highlighting how it significantly boosted my video views and overall channel growth. This 1-hour investment in uploading and optimizing the video laid the foundation for its success. By leveraging the power of vidIQ and employing strategic SEO practices, I set the stage for my video to not only reach a wide audience but also drive substantial affiliate marketing revenue. Day 7-8. Additional roundup videos. Each day, 6 hours, focused on creating 2 more roundup videos, following the same process of scripting, filming, and editing. Day 9-15. Promotion and engagement. Daily, 3 hours, shared the videos on social media, engaged with comments on YouTube, and responded to viewer queries. Day 16-30. Monitoring and adjusting strategy. Daily, 2 hours, analyzed viewer data, feedback, and adjusted my content strategy. Continued promoting my videos and engaging with the audience. My earnings were great. The Razer Blade 18 laptop was a standout in my campaign. It garnered a substantial 150,000 views, achieving a click-through rate of 4%, which equates to 6,000 clicks. With a conversion rate of 2%, I made 120 sales. Given its price of $4,980 and a commission rate of 5%, the total earnings from the laptop alone amounted to an impressive $29,880. The Bose Smart Speaker 500 also performed well, attracting 120,000 views and a center of 3.5%, 4,200 clicks. Its conversion rate stood at 1.5%, resulting in 63 sales. With each speaker priced at $379 and a commission rate of 5%, this part of the campaign contributed $1,196.85 to my earnings. The Sennheiser HD800S headphones drew in 100,000 views and achieved a center of 3%, 3,000 clicks. The conversion rate for this product was 2%, leading to 60 sales. At a price of $1,499 per unit and a commission rate of 5%, the total earnings from the headphones were $4,497. Summing up these individual earnings, the Razer Blade 18 laptop brought in $29,880, the Bose Smart Speaker 500 added $1,196.85, and the Sennheiser HD800S headphones contributed $4,497. Therefore, the grand total of my earnings from this focused affiliate marketing endeavor over the course of the campaign was a remarkable $35,573.85. This campaign underscored the potential of affiliate marketing with high-value tech products, combining strategic product selection, effective promotion, and audience engagement to yield substantial financial returns. This strategy's success hinged on selecting the right products, creating engaging content, effective SEO, and active audience engagement. By focusing on products that resonated with my viewers and delivering value through my roundup videos, I was able to drive significant traffic to my affiliate links and convert views into sales.
I hope you enjoyed that video. The information in the video is great. It was informative, it offered a way for making money, and it gave actionable steps. This is what everyone is looking for, a practical guide telling you how to make money. My way for turnkey passive income is this: selling information products to people who are interested in ways of making money, such as someone who would click on this video. Each passive income stream makes me $18,000 per month, and it only takes a few hours to set up. So subscribe now and click the course link in the description below, and then you can learn about the courses. It's really a workshop, and it's free, and I'll also send you my ebook.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.